Hey, what up, what up? What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Part 2 of the video. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna disassemble this. This is a radio from a 2003 530i bMW or 2003 E39. So we're gonna take this apart so we can fix the pixel in here. The pix in here. Alright, so let's do it. What you're gonna need right here, let's get to the pix first. What you're gonna need right here, I don't know. Take the 8 and screw all 4 of these. But we're gonna watch a little video later. But whatever you do, make sure you keep the screws. Keep it where you don't knock them all over the place. But I appreciate y'all back. Welcome to the video. Coming back to the video to watch. So make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Share this video, and you might teach somebody who's trying to do this. So you're gonna take out all the screws. They're all the same size, so there's no real order that you want to put them in. But what we're gonna do is keep these real light ones that goes in the middle. So let's just stay here. So we can put this over here. Give me one here. I'm gonna take that tape off. There you go. So we're gonna put these yellow. Let's keep. So we're going to cut this warranty tape here. Don't worry about all that. No matter where you put it at. Alright, so we got that off. What we're going to do is try to break this. Okay, that's how that goes. Alright, see if we can get this to snap. Make sure the other screws over here. Oh, so we throw anything anywhere. Gotta take this tape off. Break that. Let's see how we're going to take this apart though. Should be able to come apart in the middle. Take your time. Alright, there we go. Take your time trying to get it off. You don't want to tear nothing up. Let me get it. Oh. I figured I'd take the screw out of there. We're going to do that. Screwdriver, just spin it. They come up. There you go. You can spin it here. Flip it. Get it out. Put that over there. For sure. Pull this off. My first time doing this, will bear with me. I'm just going to take it apart. certain way to do this. I can't get in that one. It's gonna be a way to trying to figure it here. Well, basically what we're gonna do here is try to flip these tabs out. Won't damage anything. Try to flip it in there and get it out of here. Don't want to damage that. There you go. Just want to pop it out. There you go. All you want to do is get it out. Don't be afraid of doing this. Get it out. Just pull it. Rest with your hand. That's it. So you can pull this back off right here. Set that to the side. So, alright, so you pretty much have to do the same thing on this side. That's what you're gonna do. Get this piece out, but don't try not to damage the board. So there you go. So pop that, comes out easy. That's it. Just remember, this is your back piece here. This goes here. So we're gonna slide this over here. You really don't want to get this dirty, so I'll get my fingerprints off of it. So you put that there. What we got to do here. A little more light on this. Fix that. All right. And now we have this together. All right, so what we have to do now is unplug this one here. You see, you gotta unplug this one. Back here. You can get at it. Just remember where it goes, that's all. So let's go ahead and finish taking these screws out right here. Hope y'all can see what I'm doing. So there's a screw right here. I took this one out, so you gotta take this screw out here. All the right sides, so you ain't gotta work. So that goes with that piece there. Take the screw right here out. They both got these little metal tabs that goes inside. Just gotta remember how they go in there. What I want to do here. Now I'm gonna take this off. What you wanna do is push this to the side here. Make sure you know where everything goes. Then if you forget, you can always go back to, I'm gonna take this out right here. Let's go back. What I'm gonna do is try to get this one out right here. I can see it a little better than I'm looking at. I try to unplug it from here. I guess I'm see if I can. So that goes here. The only one I gotta worry about to get out is piece here. I'm trying to see. Pretty much sure it comes out from the front. Really ain't difficult to do, just as long as you can get it out of there without damaging anything. Plug it. Have a lot of little tiny wires on it. Transparent. Leave that over here for now. Just want to get this piece off here. You can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to get out this little piece here so I can lift it up. If I need to lift that up, I can take it out. Let's see if we can get this off. Be careful, you don't want to damage the board neither. Trying to get this off. Probably better lighting. It's a better light doing this. All right, let's see. We should be able to get that up. Damage in it. We should be able to get that up. I don't want to damage anything, so I don't want to do. All right, give me 1 minute. All right, let's do it. So pretty much what we have to do with this is push this to the right side, and it's supposed to come off the board. It's supposed to. Push it over, I guess, to the right side. And it's supposed to come off the board. You move it over, and it comes off. That's how you get it off the board. That's how you get it off. Okay, so we got this off. We'll clean up a little bit, but we know now we got to put that to the left. So that can go right there. So what I need to do is get in here. So that's what I need to do. Okay, we're here already. That off, this off, this is off, this is off. I need to get in here. Be careful with the board though, you don't want to mess the board up. This over. Be careful, there's a spring right there. I'm gonna take a picture of my phone just in case. I always refer back to YouTube. That's what I'm doing, watching somebody else's video. But I need to make sure. Alright, so you're gonna push this in right here. I'm gonna try to get. You got a spring there. And what was over here? Nothing really over here too tough. But just. take this off the board. I think I'm gonna have to take it off. I think should be able to pop it off without doing all of that anyway. I think I screwed on there to get that off. Pretty much just want to slide this out. Put that there. Slide out just like that. Press that clip in. Slide out to the other side. Be careful with the spring though. You don't want to lose the spring, but you want to release it. There you go. Release it from here. This piece will pop right out. So if you got a problem, just refer back to YouTube and do what you do. So I'm just trying to get this out of here real quick. Be careful with the screen. You don't want to damage the screen. So there you go right there. So this could go to the side. Watch this. Be careful with the screen though. Pretty much it. What you're gonna have is this. Alright, so we gotta get this off right here. Definitely gotta get this off. I'm gonna clean that down, some alcohol or whatever. So that's pretty much about how you get it out. So now we gotta get this out. I already got that inside there. So we gotta figure this one out. To get this out. This is what's give you a digital screen, the pixel. So you want to get this out right here. So you have to take all this apart. All right, give me 1 minute. All right, and don't mind me. This is my first time doing this. My very first time doing this, so I keep referring back to the video that I watched down in the description below. All right, that's the other screw that I need. So this will go over here also. You don't have to take any more screws out. So what we're gonna have to do right here, we gotta get this metal tab, this metal piece off right here. So what you can do, like I said, be careful with the board. You don't want to damage the board or the screen. You don't want to damage the screen, but we're gonna clean it up before we put it back in there. So what you want to do, you want to take this off right here. Just lift it up. Don't go crazy though. Just want to lift it up. And you want to be able to get off this strip here that's holding it down. So, and what else is on this? You can actually peel it off if you go slow enough, but you have to clean it though. So, pretty much that's about it. Just peel it off. To get it back going, you have to tape it on, then cut what you can cut. So you got this one right here. You can peel it slow if you can get it slow. And you got this one on the top here. Like I said, it's my first time doing it, so that's why it look like I'm stumbling all over the place, but put that in there. You don't really want to damage it, so I'm trying to be easy with this. Alright, so pretty much what we gotta do now is take off this yellow tape here. Like you said, you can do it real slow, but you gotta peel it. Once you're able to peel it, you're good. You just gotta take it off real slow. This is my first time doing it. I'm taking a major chance with this because it's an old car, a 2003 BMW E39 530i, and you pretty much can do it yourself. There you go, right there. Take your time. You can peel that back. Put that over there. What else we got over here? Just gotta take your time with that's all. Over here is like a piece of rubber here. So if you can peel that off real nice and slow, like so, you have to reuse it anyway. So just peel off nice and slow. There you go. This goes on the back end. So this gonna go like this. And then you just get this. Just peel it right off. Right off. There you go. Stick this right here to the side. Now what you're gonna do, remember how you're taking this off. Alright? So transparency with the holes goes on this side. So what we gonna do, so I don't forget, I take a picture. Even though I'm recording it, you gotta take a picture of it. My memory and all that good. So what we're gonna do now, you wanna take off this piece here. Be careful though. And remember that these holes go on the outside. Remember that. So what we're gonna do, take another picture to make just to make sure. Just to make sure. So bend this. You wanna take your time trying to get it. Don't bend it though. You gotta put up. I think I bent it a little bit there. Try to bring it back down just a little bit. There you go. I bent it a little bit, but you should be good. I'm gonna put a buckle in it. All right, so that'll go there. I think I bent it a little bit too much. You put up. With this, you want to do the same exact thing. All right, so take your time. Don't just rip it off. Got this piece that. If you can, take your time getting it. It's my first time, so if you forget anything, just and get all that old stuff off. The transparent wires goes here on the bottom. So now we gotta do is try to get this off. This is old stuff here. Don't mind me, I don't know the name of everything, but what we need to do is get this. This gotta come off. Know how to set this up. So we gotta aggravated, but it goes. He used a card or something with some alcohol to clean all of this off. So I'm gonna have to do the same thing. Yeah, I don't want to damage anything. All right, so we pretty much done here right now. What you see, this is pretty much part one of disassembling the radio so we can get everything together. So what y'all seen here is what I did. So leave everything the way it is. So when you come back tomorrow, when I get back tomorrow, I'll be putting another video up, but this gonna go down tonight. So this right here is where your LED's at. So once you move this right here, don't put it back on, but all your LEDs in here. All your LEDs in here. All right, so you're gonna put that little piece back on. And this is the end of the video of disassembling a radio from an E39 or 530i bMW 2003, and that's it. So tomorrow what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean up this strip, both sides, so we can get everything back together, all right? So I'm gonna show you how the piece real quick. Watch that glass. What's going on here is this the new strip here. This right here, what you see, used to be this. All right? So what you see here used to be this. So, but when we put this one on, she got to go upside down, like so. Like this. Like this one right here. All right? So that's how that's going to go. This is a new piece here. Same way this came off, the same way it's going to go on. All right? So all of this is wires in here, but they're transparent. That's all it is. But be careful when you touch it. You don't put no fingerprints on none of this. Be careful. All right? So you're going to put this back in here. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification button to get new videos. But like I said, tomorrow we're going to clean this up. It's the face, but it's gonna go here, and gotta get it together. Like I said, we gotta clean all of this. So all of this right here, this glue, all this gotta get cleaned up tomorrow. All of this getting cleaned up. Might be doing the night off video, so you ain't gonna sit there and watch that. But we gonna clean all this up. All right, so make sure you like, share, subscribe to the video. Give me the thumbs up, and we be back with more content. Salute, thanks, appreciate y'all for watching. Hold this right here. I'm your boy, DIY Trucker J, getting this video out there for y'all to teach y'all how to do something. All right, so this going on the channel. We out here. Salute, peace.